All right, let's look at our schedule. Today we are going to be doing math number 6. Math, that's why my schedule clip is on it. And today for math, we are going to go on a shape hunt. Let's give a cheer for a shape hunt. Yeah! Today's shape, if you know it, put your finger on your nose. If you know today's shape, put your finger on your nose. Ready? Okay. There's my shape. Put your finger on your nose if you know what it is. I see some fingers. Okay. Now it's time to say it with our mouths. It is a square. There's my S. Square. What's a square? Let's first think. Number 1, think. What is a square? Okay, I have an idea. Now, number 2, I'll raise my hand so that Mrs. Roth knows I want to talk. I raise my hand. What do you think a square is? Tell somebody next to you, tell Mrs. Roth, or whisper it to yourself. Oh, so this is a square. You said it has 4 sides. Let's count the sides together. Get your counting finger. Do, 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 do. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides was that? 4 sides. Let me write my number 4 so we can remember. 4 sides. That's that letter S again. 4 sides. Are all the sides different shapes? Or I'm sorry, I misspoke. Are all the sides different lengths? Is one side way bigger than the other? Let's think about for a second. Let's look at Mrs. Roth's square. Here's my square. Is one side that we just counted longer than the others? Shake your head yes, or shake your head no. Oh, I see we have some yeses and some nos. If you said no, that means that all the sides are the same length. They are equal. Let's clap that word. Equal. 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 Good. 2 claps. Equal. They are equal. So that means they're all the same sides, all the same length, or all the same length. So now we saw our square. We are going to draw it in the air. So let's take our magic drawing finger. We are going to draw our square. 4 sides, all the same length. Let's start. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just drew a square. Now we know a square. We drew a square. We are going to find a square. Let's take a second and look. Get your shape finding binoculars on. Put them on. Put them on. Let's look for a square wherever we are. Do you see a square? Do you see a square? When you find a square, take your binoculars off, put 2 fingers on your nose. I found a square, so I have 2 fingers on my nose. All right, now we're listening. Go walk and get your square and bring it back to your computer. Walk, not run. Get your square and bring it back. We're going to go do that now. Bring it back. Okay, see you in a second. All right, if you have your square, put it on your head. I have my square, so I'm going to show it and tell you about it. Here's my square. It's a Kleenex box. It's actually kind of a cube because it's got all squares on each side. It's a 3D shape, a cube. But this side right here is a square. Can we check that it's a square? Let's check it. We know a square needs 4 sides, so let's count my sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares, 4 squares. Are they all the same length? Are they equal? Yup, they look all the same to me. Mine's a square. All right, let's check yours. Show your square up. And let's count its sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. It's got 4 sides. Are they all the same length? They're equal? Thumbs up. Good. You have a square. All right. When you go on a walk today, I want you to hunt for squares outside. Look around. Hunt for squares outside. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye.